Okay, I know. Christmas is over. We've taken the tree down, the lights are packed away, and we're all pretending to eat salads again. And I'm sure we're all tired of balls. Rum balls, peanut butter balls, meatballs, and if you've had a blue Christmas, blue balls. But before you toss out that pile of Christmas cards, I wanted to give you a quickie tip before it's too late. And who doesn't love a good quickie? If this is your first time here, my name's Betty, and welcome to the Well-Rounded Workshop. So for the last several years, instead of throwing these away, I take my scallop scissors and cut them into gift tags for next year. You can make these in all different shapes and sizes. Big, small, skinny, no judgment here. And I use the pictures, the sayings, even the Merry Christmas words make the greatest tags. Just cut them out, punch the hole, and store them away. And when you're ready to use them, pop a ribbon on. They also make great bookmarks, ornaments, or even garland. So we can make the cutest tags for free and spend our money on the really important stuff. Chocolate and tools, honey, chocolate and tools, especially the kind that buzz, vibrate, and get the job done right. Some folks may call me cheap. I prefer Thrifty Queen. And look how cute this one turned out. And if there's a card you really love, and we all have that one, pop it in a frame and display it for Christmas next year. Looks adorable on a shelf or entry table and costs absolutely nothing. I actually have one here in a frame from December of 1998. It's a very special Christmas card from my uncle before he passed. And this one is extra special. It's the last Christmas card my dad ever gave me, and even more meaningful that at 80 years old and not in good health, he got ready, went to the store, picked it out by himself, and signed it. This was not a usual thing for him, as Mom was always in charge of that up until she passed. So little moments like this are what make these cards treasures. So this one is definitely going into a frame. So don't toss those cards, play with them, repurpose them. And if you haven't seen my other videos, take a peek. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Got a favorite tip or trick or something you'd like to see me make or build? Drop it in the comments. And I hope you'll come back to see my upcoming projects. Until next time, keep your tags cute and your tools naughty.